I work with the FAO in the Program Management Unit that's overseeing implementation of two GEF7 impact programs. One is on food systems FOLUR and one is on dry land sustainable landscapes. So FAO has a double role. At the country level, we are implementing 10 out of the 27 countries, plus 2 additional ones in a co-implementation. So it's a large footprint on the ground. And then at the global level, we're an executive agency partnering with the World Bank and others to deliver very specific deliverables that can help projects accelerate their implementation and scale up. On halting deforestation, sustainable agricultural production and food systems, together with tackling the underlying drivers, are 90% of the solution. And this is precisely what FOLUR is working towards deforestation-free commodity value chains. And our member countries have given us direction to work on the nexus between agriculture and forestry. And FOLUR is directly contributing to that mandate because we are gathering evidence and case studies to further deepen the work around that area. We hope that this package, both working at the landscape level to do better planning, better governance of an integrated landscape, and the normative policy work with the standards, the analytics, and the studies and case studies and evidence will help address the challenge that we have of halting deforestation. So the good news on that is that by the next year, we'll have all of the projects, the 27 countries, fully operational and hitting the ground. So in a nutshell, next year we will have hopefully case studies, we will have implemented activities, and we will have some results to share that can then be further deepened and scaled up in the next food systems program, which is the GEF8.